She's dey call me. Why she dey call me? Hello, how you doing? You go the side? I saw that man dey snore. Thank God say no be me tell you. You for say maybe I did lie. Now so that man dey snore. Also with that the pikin, that the son. So that the first son. Now so he dey snore. Now so he dey snore like pig. Now so the house go dey shake if that man dey snore. With that your son. I mean, cannot they go there again? I know they visit them again. I know if you can go visit person. I know can't feel sleep. I know feel relax. Ha! For now I go the hear sound of a pig. I no go fit. I know cannot they go the house again. Show you now you the experience. You don't say my experience and say that man that so that they snore. That they snore. If they ever another need day for snore, now we go give those people. I be small. Hey, thank God say na you see am for yourself. If na me tell you now, you say, you too dey lie, you too dey talk, I'm a boy. You see am for yourself now. No be you dey tell me so. Thank God say na you see am with your eye. That man, I don't know as the wife take dey manage am. I no know. Because for me, I no fit, Hey, I no fit.